Question 6. In an examination, a student has to secure 48% marks to pass. So if that child, student has to pass, he has to get 48% marks in the exam. If Rahul gets 247 marks and fails by 5 marks, what are the maximum marks? Now Rahul, he gets 247 marks, but he does not pass. He fails this by 5 marks. Means if he got 5 more marks in the total, his percent would become 48% and he would pass this exam. Okay. Now we are to find out not how much he should have got. We have to find out what is the maximum marks, means out of how much was that examination. So maximum marks means how much was the examination out of. Total marks of that examination has to be found out. I have already written the details that are given in the question. That the pass percentage, in order to pass that test, you have to score 48%. And Rahul has scored 247 marks and he has failed by 5 marks. Means if he got 5 more marks, he would have passed the exam. Okay. So what are the passing marks? We know the pass percentage. We can find out with the help of these 2 marks. We can find out how much is the passing marks. So if he got 5 more marks, he would have passed. So I will find out how many marks is the passing marks. 7 plus 5 is 2 or 12, carry 1, 5, 252. Means had Rahul scored 252 marks, he would have passed the exam, and 252 is 48%. So we know that 48% is 252. We don't know the total. Okay, these type of questions also we have done. So that total marks, we will take it as X. Okay, the maximum marks that we have to find out, we will take that as X. So say for example, the total marks out of which the exam was is X. Now 48% of this X is 252 because we just found that out, that 48% is 252. So 48% of a certain number. So 48% of X is 242. So does this ring a bell? Have we done something similar earlier? Yes, we have done the last 6 to 10 questions of the previous exercise, wherein we didn't know the number whose percentage was given. Okay. Yes. So how will we go about? 48% means 48 upon 100 of X equals 252. Now what do? We let the unknown remain here and we take all the known terms to one side. So X equals 252. So X to the left of the equal to sign, 252 to the right of the equal to sign, wherever they are still there. Now when this goes to the other side, you write the reciprocal. We need to do the opposite of what is to be done when it is this side. So when we do the opposite means this has to become the reciprocal. Now we reduce. Both of these are divisible by 4. 4 divides this 25 times and this 12 times. Now 12 divides this once. 12 divides 25 2 times. 24, 1 will remain. So once. Now 21 into 25. When you multiply these both, you will get the maximum marks of the test. I have already multiplied it, and let me tell you. Okay, it is 525. Now, if you want to check if your answer is correct, what will you do? You have written here 48% of x equals to 52. Now you found out how much your x is. X is 525. So if you write 48% of 525 and solve it, you should get 252. Then it shows that this 525 is correct. That's how you can check your answer.